Greetings to you all. Welcome to eSeries English. In this video, we are going to learn the appreciation of the poem given in Unit 5. That is, The Secret of the Machines. Usually, we write appreciation. Poetic lines will be given there. Under those lines, we will have questions. Here in this poem, 8 questions are given like short questions without poetic lines. Then 9th and 10th questions are given with poetic lines. The first question is, who does we refer to in the? Weங்கிறது யாரை குறிக்குது அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸ் ஐயா மெஷின்ஸ் ஐயான்னு 2 ஆப்ஷனும் கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க. You have to choose the right option. The right answer is machines. Option B. Machines. We refers to machines. Second question. Who are the speakers and listeners of the poem? யார் பேசுகிறா, யார் கேட்டுக்கிட்டு இருக்கா? மெஷின்ஸ் தான் பேசுது, ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸ் கேட்டுக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்க. Machines are the speakers and human beings are the listeners in the poem. What metals are obtained from ores and mines? Third question. What metals are obtained from ores and mines? Metals like iron, copper, lead, gold and silver are obtained from ores and mines. தாதுக்கள்லேருந்தும் சுரங்கங்கள்லேருந்தும் கிடைக்கக்கூடிய உலோகங்கள். Fourth question. Mention a few machines which are hammered to design. எதை செய்கிறாங்க, செய்யப்படுற மெஷின்ஸ் என்னெல்லாம்? Machines namely steam engine, the locomotive and iron-clad ships were hammered to design. Iron-clad ships were hammered to design. Sixth question. Mention a few machines used for pulling, pushing, lifting, driving, printing, ploughing, reading and writing, etc. இதுக்கெல்லாம் பயன்படக்கூடிய மெஷின்ஸ் என்னன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Farm tractor, crane, forklift, gas, trucks, printer are the few machines used for pulling, pushing, lifting, driving, etc. Seventh one. Are machines humble to accept the evaluation of human brain? Why? Yes, machines accept that they are the children of human brain. They have to work as per the instruction of human brain, so they humbly accept it. Eighth question. What feelings are evoked in us by the machines in this poem? We can feel that the machines have no feelings like human beings, so we should handle them with care. The 9th question. And 1/1000th of an inch to give us play. This is a poetic line. Which of the following do the machines want to prove from this line? இந்த லைனில் இருந்து அந்த மெஷின்ஸ் எதை ப்ரூவ் பண்ண விரும்புது அப்படின்னு கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. 2 options are given. Once machines are fed with fuel, they take very long time to start. They start quickly ஆங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். So the right answer is, once machines are fed with fuel, they start quickly. The 10th question is, and now, if you will set us to our task, we will serve you 4 and 20 hours a day. Poetic lines கொடுத்துட்டு, who does the pronoun you refer to here? youங்கிறது யாரை குறிக்குது? You refers to human beings. The pronoun you refers to the human beings in the above lines. B. Whose task is referred to as our task here. அந்த we are அதெல்லாம் மெஷின்ஸை தான் குறிக்குது. Our task is referred to the task of the machines. Then C. Open conditional clause is used in the given line. Why is the future tense will set and will serve used both in the if clause and in the main clause? Conditional clauseல main clause subordinate clauseல என்ன டென்ஸ் வந்தால் என்ன வரணும்னு ரூல் இருக்குது. இதில் ரெண்டுலையுமே ஃப்யூச்சர் டென்ஸ் வந்திருக்கு. ஏன்னு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க. ஃப்யூச்சர் டென்ஸ் இஸ் யூஸ்ட் இன் போத் த இஃப் கிளாஸ் அண்ட் மெயின் கிளாஸ் ஃபார் 2 reasons. 2 காரணத்துக்காக. என்னெல்லாம்? த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரீசன் இஸ் that the machines are expressing a definite truth. Machines themselves say that they do not lie. When they are given a task, they will perform no matter what they are instructed. The second reason is that the choice is given to us. If we choose to give them a task, they will do it. If we don't, they don't do it. Unless they are given a task, they will not perform it. Then the fourth question. Do the machines serve us 24 hours a day? 24 மணி நேரம் வேலை செய்தா? Yes or no question? Yes. The machines serve us for 24 hours a day as they can never get tired. They keep running as long as they are fed with water, coal and oil. Rewrite the given lines with the ending 365 days a year. அந்த 24 hours a day ன்னு எழுதின மாதிரி இதை எழுத சொல்கிறாங்க. And now, if you will set us to our task, we will serve you 65 and 300 days a year. Then paragraph for the first group children. Write the outline of the poem, The Secret of the Machines. In this poem, machines speak about themselves to human beings. They tell us how they are created from the metals that are taken from the ore bed. The ores of the metals are taken from the ore bed and mines. They are further melted in the furnace and hammered to design as machines. The machines need water, coal and oil to run. They are ready to serve us 24 hours a day. Like human beings, they can do all sorts of work. They ask us to remember that they are operated according to the laws of physics. They reveal a harsh truth that they neither love nor forgive and cannot comprehend a lie. They have no feeling like us. If they are handled in a careless manner, the results can be fatal. They agree to the fact that they are not superior to mankind. Finally, they humbly state that they are only the children of the human brain. Already I have told you, you have to write in one paragraph. Then the paragraph for average students. Machines speak about their creation. They need water, coal and oil to run. They can do all sort of work. They cannot comprehend lies. They have no feelings like us. They are ready to serve us 24 hours a day. If they are handled carelessly, the results would be fatal. They humbly state that they are the children of the human brain. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching.